I'm running, my mommy. Hi, mommy. Hi there.
But these bitches in my business come me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, I'm scared, I'm the lowest of the low.
How do you know the way I feel? You got me losing my mind. Oh, try to suppress my emotions. They're bursting like fountains, baby. They take me up, they take me down. I'm getting weak in my knees. Oh,
I got nothing to admire, T-13. We belong in you, make me feel something. I got my eyes on you, pull down the curtain. I'll be patient with you, no more fighting.
oh, baby, come in, yeah, come in. I cannot fathom this life without you. Come in, yeah, come in. This feels like home now. Come in and stay here, baby.
Baby, I don't know. Baby.
So guys, I'm gonna take the YouTube channel now. It's
Bruh.
live, okay? Ignore her. I'm new. So we're gonna talk today about what we're gonna do with this new YouTube channel of mine. Yeah. Tell me in the comment section what you guys want to see in the next video, okay? This is just an information video that this is not my channel, okay?
Eyes on you, pull down the curtain. I'll be patient with you, no more fighting.
Oh, baby, come in, yeah, come in. I cannot fathom this life without you. Come in, yeah, come in. This feels like home now. Come in and stay here, baby.
We are having a good time and it started raining. Very disappointing. We were actually having a time of our life. The sun all bright and all that. It started raining.
Sorry. Desensitization.
I beg.
Crazy, you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy spin like a great escape. I need a new trick, gold eyes don't change. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. Got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving savage, calling on my favorite hoe. How to reach me every time, and it pays you right. Rise after night, we committed crime. Way over long, there's no sacred spot. We can't be outside 'cause I'm hot.
Oh my god. Hi there. Hi there. I know it's been ages since I came on here. Do you miss me? I do miss you guys. Your girl went on a healing journey. it's a whole long story. You know, I didn't take a break when it was like December, like the new year. I was still like posting back to back. Well, I took my break. I needed the break at some point, so I took it. I'm healing pretty well. Yeah. Loving TikTok and Instagram. Oh my god. The short videos are doing it for me. So like I have been doing that. I have this market vlog that is on my chest to post. I stopped because like the brain, you know, your brain starts to play games with you, and my brain was playing games with me. So, you know, I paused with the long form video for YouTube, and then I focused more on my TikTok and then my Instagram. So the short form videos were doing it for me. I think I'm reaching an audience out there, which I've always wanted to. But I'm back, and I think I'm going to post that vlog. Your girl is back. Your girl is alive. Your girl is surviving. Yes. Look at me. Look at me. We are gonna be okay. Okay? We will be okay. This is just a phase. We are gonna go through it together. Okay? So yeah, let me put you guys back. I just want to focus on creating content again on YouTube. I use the Charlotte Tilbury and MAC foundation, the MAC Studio Fix and Charlotte Tilbury foundation together, and I actually did an underpainting. I think my makeup game is so good now, and I didn't even put on like eyeshadow. Yeah, I need to refill my lashes, but like, girl, it's giving vibes. Catch you guys when I catch you, but basically that's the update. It's a buy. It's a buy for me. I don't know if it's a buy for you, but it's a buy.
Several days later.
Today is Saturday. Yes, I haven't been vlogging, but my reason was this guy. Get up. Show your face in my vlog. My nephew was here with me, so I paused for a bit to give all my attention to him. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Benjamin.
That's all.
Yeah, I'm 17 years old. Just got 17, you know. I'm single, by the way.
He's a kid. He's a kid. Yeah, leave it there. Leave it there. He's leaving, so I'm actually going to town to get some things, and I think I'm going to take you guys along. Don't mind this, okay? I'll be looking like this for a whole week. We're about to head to town. I'll try and vlog as much as I can and add it to this vlog. The finger thing, the finger thing. We are in town now. My skin be glowing. Don't ask me where I'm sitting. We are twisting things. Smile. Oh my god. I'm trying to get a skirt. Oh yeah, baby.
600. The payments now actually. I would do more like the Epidemic foundation.
My battery is low. I didn't charge it. Guys, you want to know the progress? We are dying. Meet my mommy. Hi, mommy. I'm gonna put you on YouTube. Look at her. She be glowing. I want to go out, but my hair is so greasy. Like, I have a lot of gel in my hair, which I don't plan to wash anytime soon. So I re-gelled it, and I'm trying to lay it down. But I'm about to start doing my makeup. I just finished taking my shower. And yeah, I'm gonna go out. Today is Saturday, and I need to step out of my house. I had these pants with this top. This is what I want to wear. It's gonna come together when I am done dressing up. This Juvia's Place concealer is my favorite concealer, but I have run out of it, so I'm just gonna use the rest in this bottle. Where's my phone? I want to listen to music. Like before I go out, I always try to put myself in a good mood. Some people do take shots. I don't. I just listen to music and put myself in a good mood before I step out. That if I do that, no matter what happens outside, I don't get pissed about it. Cause the slightest thing will throw me off. Because why waste my time? Come out at this time, and you are trying to piss me off. So like I try my very best to put myself in a good mood before I step out of the house. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. Let me go back so you guys can see me. But this is what I'm wearing basically.